There's a secret hiding in plain sight in Hollywood. Have you ever finished a project, watched it back, and felt that crushing disappointment? That gap between what you set out to create and the work that inspires you? Well, here's the brutal truth. You've been lied to, and I'm about to prove it. The industry would like to convince us that we need better cameras, more expensive gear, more advanced skills. So we chase specs, sift through tutorials, and throw money at LUTs that promise the film look but then fail to deliver. Meanwhile, Hollywood is doing the opposite. Film, that supposedly outdated medium, is making a massive comeback. In 2025, more Oscar-nominated films were shot on film than in the past decade. And those shot digitally? Most use the Arri Alexa despite having lower resolution and dynamic range than Sony or Red. Why? Because top directors understand something about color science that most of us miss. I've spent the past 2 decades obsessed with creating the film look, but everything changed when I actually shot on film and studied its characteristics firsthand. What I discovered is that film doesn't try to capture reality accurately. Instead, it transforms colors into something that looks better than reality. This is the color science that companies like Kodak and Fuji have perfected over a century. With film, colors are richer. Highlights bloom instead of clip. Skin tones get this incredible creaminess that makes people look their best. This is why directors choose film over digital, and when they can't shoot on film, they choose the Arri Alexa because its color science is the closest thing to film. I mean, there's something just magic about film and how it captures light, almost like a memory. But without this color science, most of us are stuck with digital footage that looks clinical and lifeless. LUTs and standard tools we've been using fall short because they're just patching the surface. What we need is a deeper transformation that replicates how film actually interprets light and color. This was a pipe dream, that is until now. With CineDream, we created the first tool to actually replicate the Hollywood color pipeline in a single step. How this works is CineDream transforms your video into Arri Log C using ACES 2 color science, the same process used on million-dollar productions. This creates the foundation for film emulations that makes it look as though your video was captured on film and finished in a color suite to make it look truly cinematic, like it's from a movie. With CineDream applied as a plugin, colors become richer, highlights roll off naturally, and your footage looks like it belongs in the theater. Where LUTs give hit or miss results and the built-in tools give you all the ingredients but no recipe, CineDream delivers the complete transformation in one step. The best part is, this works with any camera, from smartphones to cinema cameras. CineDream handles all the complex color mapping behind the scenes, and you get 4 distinct film emulations, each with its own character. You can toggle them on or off for a standard Rec. 709 conversion, and control exactly how much of the film look you want to apply. You maintain the control. This gets you 95% the way there, plus you get film effects that filmmakers everywhere crave. Things like subtractive saturation and density, halation glow, and authentic film grain. And the results? We've seen a first-year filmmaker using CineDream to create work that's indistinguishable from a veteran colorist using the traditional tools, and we'll show you that a bit later. Imagine posting your next project and watching the comments explode with people asking what camera you shot on. Imagine clients seeing your work and immediately wanting to hire you. Imagine finally creating footage that stops people mid-scroll. This isn't just about better colors, this is about joining the ranks of creators whose work gets noticed, shared, and remembered. In my next video, you'll get to see a patented tool in action on a real scene, and trust me, it's gonna blow your mind how it lets you do what experienced colorists spend years mastering. This totally changes the game of your films. In the meantime, what's your biggest frustration with achieving the cinematic look? Drop me a comment below. You're about to reach beyond what you thought was possible, and I can't wait to show you what's in store.